Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a meta description to your Squarespace blog posts. This is a really important step for improving your SEO because meta descriptions are what people see in search results, and they can make the difference between someone clicking on your post or scrolling past it. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you need to head over to your browser and type in squarespace.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard, where you can manage all your websites and content. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the meta description to a blog post. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Click on Website, and directly underneath that option, you'll find Pages. Click on Pages to access all the different sections and pages of your site. This is where you'll be able to navigate to your blog content. Within the Pages section, locate your blog page. It might be labeled as blog or whatever custom name you've given it. Once you've found it, click on it to open up your blog settings and posts. You'll now see the blog overview screen, which displays all your published and draft blog posts. Scroll through and select the specific blog post you want to add a meta description to. Just click on that post to open its settings. Next to the post title, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From that menu, select Settings. This will open up a new panel with various customization options for your blog post. On the left side of the Settings panel, look for the option labeled SEO and click on it. This section is specifically designed for optimizing your blog post for search engines. Once you're in the SEO section, find the field labeled SEO description. This is where you'll input your meta description. In the field under SEO description, type in your meta description. Keep it concise and compelling, ideally between 150 and 160 characters, as this is what will appear in search engine results. Make sure it accurately reflects the content of your blog post and includes relevant keywords. Once you've entered your description, click Save to apply the changes. Give it a moment to process and save properly. And that's it. You've successfully added a meta description to your Squarespace blog post, which will help improve its visibility in search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.